Mm, Magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi po sa inyo lahat kung anong oras man po kayo nanonood ng aking video presentation. Bago po lahat, may share lang po ako na maikling Bible verse. Joshua chapter 1 verse 9. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be frightened, do not be dismayed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Meaning lang po nito is maging matapang po tayo sa araw-araw, maging matatag sa kung ano man po ang pagsubok sa buhay ang ating naranasan ngayon, dahil sa lahat po ng mga yan ay kasama natin si Lord kahit po nasa saan man tayo, and laban lang. About me naman po, I'm JR De Roma from BSC 4-5. I'm 21 years old from Tagaytay. The internet gave us access to everything, but it also gave everything access to us, by James Fitch. Meaning lang po nito is, kung ano man po ang ating mga ina-upload sa internet, mga information po tungkol sa atin, ay maaari po din niyang ma-access po sa atin ng iba. And mag-ingat po tayo sa ating mga pinag-post, dahil po is magagamit ito laban sa atin. And my assigned topic to me is Mudge. Sino nga ba si Mudge? Peter C. Zatko, better known as Mudge, he was born December 1, 1970 at the age po niya is 53 years old, an American network security expert, open source, programmer, writer, and a hacker. Mudge. He has been among the most influential figures in shaping the modern field of cybersecurity as we know it. From pioneering work on offensive techniques and information security methods and tools to his famous 1998 testimony to a U.S. Congress on systematic flaws in the architecture of the internet, where he described how to take down the internet in 30 minutes. It was first time the U.S. government publicly reference hackers into a positive context. First time po ito sa US. Kasi po yung mga hackers po doon is mga nagagamit po nila yung kanilang talent para po sa kasamaan. And ito po si Mudge is tumutulong po sa atin para sa ating mga security. At nilalabanan din po niya yung ibang hackers. Ganun po din kagaling yung team ni Mudge, dahil 30 minutes lang ay kaya na nilang i-take down ang internet. He has held leadership roles at the U.S. Department of Defense and fintech companies valued at $100 billion, as well as one of the most well-known social media companies in the world. Yun po yung Twitter. In all of his rules, he was upheld his commitment to ethics and lawful. He received widespread recognition and praise for contributing to the fundamental underpinnings of information security, educating the masses on cybersecurity, and championing the safety of the cyberspace of all of us who inhabit it. Malaking tulong po yung ginawa niya para sa ating security, dahil sa maraming pumupuri po sa kanya, and nabibigyan din po tayo nito ng security po laban sa ibang hacker. Kasi po part po siya ng defense po natin. He was responsible for early research into the most widely known security vulnerability known as the buffer flow. Yung buffer flow po, yun po yung pagka napupuno na po yung storage po ng internet, naapaw, parang ganun po siya. And also pioneered and published some of the first security advisories and research demonstrating other early classes of vulnerabilities, including code injection, timing, and side channel attacks on the object reuse. He is the original author of the password auditing tool LockTrack. He has been a multiple-time keynote speaker at DEF CON and Black Hat, and has received recognition for his contribution to the field of the Executive Office of the White House and other agencies. In 2013, he received the highest medal that can be awarded to a civilian by the Office of Secretary of Defense, the Medal for Exceptional Public Service. In the 2015, he was inducted into the Order of Thor at the Army Cyber Institute. No, yung lock crack po is nakatulong po sa atin yan para patibayin po lalo yung security ng ating mga password. No, parang katulad din po to ng may sa katulad din po ng sa GCash. No, may nagsasend po ng one time password or OTP. Ganon din po tong lock crack. No? At na-recognize po siya ng White House, no? At nabigyan po siya ng medal dahil po sa nagawa niya. No? Next, South Korea evolved and matured along with the commercial internet. He worked for DARPA, the Defense Department Secretary's Deep Research Unit, and founded a consulting firm before being hired by Twitter in November 2020 to shore up its security after young hackers commandeered dozens of high-profile accounts, including that of Elon Musk. No, ito pong DARPA na to, ito po ay isang Department of Defense, no? At tinutulungan din po nito yung NASA para i-secure pa po yung kanilang mga data para hindi po ma-hack ng iba. And any questions po? Kung mayroon man pong questions, contact me na lang po o kaya doon na lang po sa klase po natin. And thank you.